Goat. Haven't seen it yet. From the people who made the animators, at least, I think, of K-pop and Across the Spider-Verse. So this should be good. Lucas voices the main character. Will Harris, the goat. So let's draw this. Landscape page. Pencil eraser, hip pose. If I go too fast. So we're going to start with his big eye. So big cartoon eye. So it goes like, curves up and down. Then the bottom part, back into there. And he has like a few sort of eyelid lines around it, like some ridges just coming around the eye. Like eyelid lines and stuff. And then a big green circle in here, coming up from the top eyelid line. And it just curves around, fills up most of the eye. And then a big black pupil on the inside of that. So it's a big circle now, curves around. Okay, got big eyebrows. Up the top here. They're kind of high up on his head. Kind of just zigzags its way down. Very furry. Nearly goes all the way down his eye as well. And then he joins his sort of furry snout just here, coming down that way. Okay, so just across from this, we'll go down for his nose. So just like across here. Furry, sketchy sort of lines. And then he's got his nose, his actual triangle shaped nose, just here. That's the outside of it. Comes across, down the back. And then bring it forward to the middle. It's kind of this L or curved shape. You got a little line up the middle of it. And then his mouth. Like his top lip kind of sticks out here. And then his bottom lip goes down there. All the way down to his chin, which is kind of like a long, furry thing. We got a smiling mouth in here. So it just curves up. Like that. And he has like, it's like he has a sort of pink section on his lips. Kind of just a light sort of edge line, like so. So then he has a long beard, different, is it a beard? Well, it's like a, I suppose goats have a little goatee kind of thing. Sort of coming down from his chin. So we'll go just down here, real spiky, and then back up. You got like that sort of square area, and then his jaw sort of goes that way. And then it goes down, disappears behind his ear here. It's real furry. We've got like a little different color fur just along his chin, just like here. You can mark it just with these hairy lines, and it kind of goes around his, all the way around his nose. kind of like paler in there. So his other eye it's in here in this section, so we go up that way, so the eye is like in there. And he's got another furry eyebrow that just comes down the side of his head there. And then is the white of his eye, just a curved line. Let's say here. And then again, he seems to have like an eyelid line just coming around the top. And then his green eye inside, and a black pupil just peeking out from behind his nose there. Right, so his forehead then goes up. Again, all furry and sketchy. And then we have his hairline, so it just like comes across here. He's very curly hair. It just all goes sort of this way. And then it goes up around his horn that kind of sticks out of his head, somewhere up here. Just above his eyebrow, basically. And then this comes down and joins his ear eventually. So the ear comes all the way down, hanging down right onto his, behind his hoodie, right by his neck, all the way down to the bottom here. And his other ear just hangs down this side. So then we can see his neck just coming down here. I think it's real furry. I think it sticks out above his jumper, sort of, on his chest. Alright, so we'll just go back up to the top and we'll finish all the details up here. So that sort of goat-like horn thing goes this way. Back. Curving back there. And it's kind of round on top. It's not like pure spike. It's not like real sharp. It's kind of blunt a bit. And then this goes back down around there, and then he has all of his like curly hair, so just these little flicks of curls, and he's very like curly hair just in here, and all that curly hair just sticking out on top. And then for goat horns, it's good to do like little sort of texture lines on it just to show it's kind of a bony thing. So in the rest of his hair, roughly sort of sticking up out around, real curly now. And you could just draw some textures on the inside. You could draw each individual curl if you wanted, of course, but you probably don't need to do that. Just like these little textures on the inside, just to show that it's kind of curly in there. And I think we can see a little bit of his other goat horn just sticking out that side of his head. And then the rest of the curls just come down. Very loose, wavy. And like some textures just all in there. Like even little like little things like that help. And sort of swishes. Right, so he's got like a hoodie on, so it kind of comes down this way. Then we meet like a little sort of string that's hanging out here. And then we go back up. Over his shoulder. This is like his big shoulder, so it goes like down this way. Right, and then the other side sort of comes out here, just around, and then another sticking out that way, another string. And then his shoulder will go just off down there. All right, Will Harris from the movie Goat. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.